Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Do You Need a Zoom Consultation? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. Do you need a Zoom consultation? That's the title for today's video. For those who are new viewers and new subscribers to the channel, you may not realize that I own a company. It's called Marketing Fundamentals Limited. We're a content marketing company based in London, and we offer a range of services helping businesses use content marketing and social media to promote their business by delivering value-added content in blog format and also in video format. And there are lots of questions and queries related to this area of expertise. So I offer, and it started during the pandemic, I offer the Zoom consultations where you can speak with me directly. We can talk about some marketing issues you have. We can talk about an overarching strategy or get into the details and look at some specific problems you're facing from a marketing perspective. That may be on LinkedIn, that may be on Twitter, that may be on YouTube, that may be on TikTok. And I can help advise you and give you some solutions that will help you move you forward and drive a higher return on investment from your marketing activity. So are you in the situation where you run a business and you need marketing help? If so, I'm just going to go from this view to the screen view and show you some areas that I can help you during a Zoom consultation. And the link to book a Zoom consultation will be in the description beneath this video. So I'm going to move from this view now to the other view. Hi there, so I've switched from the view of my face to the screen now, and I'm just going to highlight a few areas where a Zoom consultation will be a great vehicle for me to give you advice and help you with your marketing businesses. So content strategy and planning, if that's an area that you need help with. Perhaps you're now planning your content strategy for 2022 in the light of all the changes that we've been through over the last 18 months or so, and planning and tying down your planning for 2022. You may need help with implementation. Is that building a YouTube channel for your business? And that's something very different to obviously building a YouTube channel for a fashion vlogger or somebody who travels a lot. A business YouTube channel has different content requirements, and you can access much higher levels of return on investment if you do it properly. So is that an area that you need help with? Social media strategy, maybe you're looking at different platforms, LinkedIn being key one, obviously Twitter, YouTube for B2B businesses. So I can advise you that during a Zoom consultation. So video content strategy, as I mentioned, blog writing, even though lots of people prefer to be communicated communicated with via videos. Some people still prefer to read blogs, and obviously blogs are very good for SEO purposes and making sure your website and your business are found on the first page of Google and the other search engines. So do you need help there? Do you need help writing your website? There's a range of services that I can provide for you and give you some of that during a Zoom consultation. Some clients, because of the uncertainty around their own business, they prefer to work with me on it's almost as a pay-as-you-go service. So they use Zoom consultations to then access my expertise for a couple of hours here, a couple of hours next week, a couple of hours a week after. And in that sense, and these are all paid services, and in that sense they keep control of their costs and they don't worry about large retainers for marketing agencies. Sometimes that's the case where you have to pay a large retainer, and that frightens some small and medium-sized businesses away. If you use the Zoom consultation facility, then you know precisely how much you're paying, and you can get you can get expertise around particular problems you're facing. This is my website, marketingfundamentals.com, and there's a list there of some of the services that we provide. And if you want to look at testimonials, there's client testimonials on this page. So there's a lot of videos here. You can see it's just loading. There's a lot of videos here. There are some written testimonials as well, but we believe that video testimonials are more powerful. So if you want to access and watch those videos, you can do that. Marketing Fundamentals /testimonials. So there's a couple of pages worth of those videos that you can watch. So back to services. Let's just click back onto services. So I want to help you find the most effective strategy for your businesses, and we focus on B2B businesses, but we have expertise that will stretch across the B2C, so we can help you in the B2C area as well. If you need that help, then use the Zoom consultation. As I said in the intro, there's a link in the description below. Please click on that link and then start to set up a time with me, and I look forward to talking to you and helping you with your business. Thanks for watching all the way through. So as you can see, booking a Zoom consultation with me to discuss an area of marketing that you need help with, or some advice, maybe that's strategic advice or implementational advice relating to you building a business YouTube channel, how to use LinkedIn, etc. Now that you can see that booking a Zoom consultation and being able to control the costs, because you book a certain amount of hours, and then your costs are limited to those hours, and during that time I give you advice, websites, references, and critical pieces of information that help you deliver a higher return on investment on your marketing activity. Now that you're able to see that, I look forward to hearing from you via the link in the description below. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, and please feel free to follow me on all my socials, which will be coming up on the screen very soon. Thanks, bye bye.